need a torque. There you go. If you've unscrewed these ones, there's also one in here, which is where the battery lives. Take that one out too. Unscrew those two. And then you lift this off, which comes off with this. This is what we're left with. Now, this here is your blade drive. So what we're doing, we're putting the new one back in here. It has a front and a back because of the curve. It's fuzzy foam piece. It's got a little notch in it there, which goes to the divot at the back. So in there. Now, what you can do at this point, I've already done it, is grease and clean everything. I'm not cleaning it right now because I'm not that bothered. But the best way to do it would be to clean all of this out and then re-grease it all, because that bit is what turns your blade drive. I mean, that's just from 2 seconds. This is the new blade drive. As you can see, it's quite straight up. This is the old blade drive thing. Can't remember what it's called. It's like a cover protector thingy. Where does it go? It goes that way up, I think. That just protects that little hole from getting all the hair in it. It's basically just an attempt at sealing the hair out of the clipper function. So yeah, what you want to do is make sure that that wheel has plenty of grease on it. There's also grease in here, as you can see. I could clean some of the hair off of that too if I was actually not just doing this quickly. Like in the way of the clipper mechanism, basically. That's better. See, it's quite neatly. Take these little pins. This is going to be fiddly. Take the pins and line them up with the holes. So, don't know if you can see that. Pins and the holes, okay? And then you very carefully slide that on there. Torque screwdriver thing, not a normal screwdriver. You could technically use a flathead, I think, for this, but it's better not to. There you go. Service your clippers.